Hello, I want to say happy holidays and welcome back to our health and wellness family. And if you're new here, I want to say welcome to the family. Today I'm going to make homemade body scrubs using Himalayan pink salt and sugar to make these scrubs. These scrubs are perfect little gifts for family and friends and for you to have that nice glowy skin. So let's get started. So we're going to start making the scrub by pouring about half cup of sugar into the jar. Now we're going to add the sugar to the jar. Now we're going to add a cup of Himalayan pink salt to the jar. Please make sure that the salt and the sugar is fine in texture so you do not irritate or hurt your skin. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the mixture. I do not add a lot of olive oil because I do not want the scrub being slippery in the shower. Now for the fun part, we're going to add about 5 essential oils to the mixture. The oils I'm using today are patchouli, bergamot, lemon, lavender, and rosemary. The lavender and the patchouli, I'm going to add 10 drops, and the other 3 oils, I'm only going to add 5 drops. Final oil that we're adding is rosemary, and we're adding 5 drops. Now that we have added all the oils, we're going to just stir the mixture evenly. We're going to just go ahead and just close the mixture. Now you're going to just go ahead and just decorate the jar. I already made one ahead of time, and I decorated it with just some nice little ribbon and then just a name tag to say what is inside of the jar. Today I'm using these color ribbons, but you can use whatever ribbon you have on hand. I just fold it in half. These were a little bit too big for this small jar. I fold it in half and I just bend it to form a little bow and then cross it over like that and then just tie it with a string. I want the string long enough so it can tie around the jar, and then you would make something like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and just tie the little bow that we made around the jar to decorate it. I'm just gonna tie it so we secure it around the jar. Now that we have the ribbon on the jar, we're gonna just go ahead and put the label on to finish up. I already wrote on one of these labels to put on the jar. And here is how the label looks. Now we're gonna just place the label on the jar. Like that, and there we have it. So there you have it, a nice homemade scrub, salt and sugar scrub that you can give as gift, or of course use it for yourself at home for a nice glowing complexion. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.